Hello, Andrew again with another difficult interview question. This one is one that many people don't really like to talk about. Money. You want it, but you're reluctant to come out and offer what you really would be happy with because you want the job. So you don't want to put too big a number out there and then not get called back. But you don't want to put too little of a number and feel like you're getting cheated. So what do? The biggest thing is do your research. Know what you should be worth. That's your biggest defense. Go online, look up what people are making, look at what the comparable pay is in your region, look at what the comparable pay is for that particular kind of position for somebody with your experience level. That will give you a very good idea of what you should be paid for that particular job. Okay? After that, once you're in the right range, then you can negotiate. So that's the big thing. Do your research ahead of time. But what else is there? Sometimes there are some options when you enter this part of the discussion that are not necessarily dollar driven. And keeping those in mind could sometimes make you open to a dollar value that might be less, but in some ways is worth more to you. I'll give you an example. My previous job had an extremely good insurance plan. It was so good that my wife didn't need to take her company's insurance plan, which was very expensive and didn't cover as well. So therefore, my insurance plan, which was included in my job at no cost, actually had a dollar value to it. But it wasn't part of my salary. So those are the kinds of things you should look at as a total package offer. So when you look at that total package offer, what kinds of things should you look for? Okay, I already talked about insurance. Insurance is a big one. The time you have to work. What time are you working and where are you working from? Today, as we videotape, the coronavirus is running crazy and a lot of people are working from home. So this new position, do you work from home sometimes? Do you travel a lot? Is this something that you want to do? Okay, so those are some considerations you need to think about. If the possibility is you could work from home 2 or 3 days out of the week, what does that save you in transport? What does it save you in eating out at lunchtime? Those are the kinds of things you might consider on the total package. Okay? Also, what's the vacation policy? Okay? Asking about the vacation policy in your first interview is probably not the wisest choice. They're going to want you focused on the job. However, it will be in the offer when you get an offer, and you could take a look at that as part of the package. Okay? Also, if they make noises about your initial offer being considerably higher than what they were looking for, you could offer it up as well. There are other things that might make me willing to take a lower price of salary. I might be willing to take a more generous vacation package that would then offset my salary expectations. These are the things that you can give and take in a negotiation. It doesn't all have to be about the dollars. Okay? But the next one is bonuses. Okay? Bonuses are things that are paid in addition to your salary. Okay? Some are traditional. Some are always given. Here in Asia, there's often a 13th month bonus around the time of the Lunar New Year. So that's a traditional bonus. Does the company offer them? Would that position be eligible for those kinds of bonuses? Some companies offer a year-end bonus. If they've had a particularly good year, sometimes they will give benefits to the employees as an further incentive for the next year to them to do even more. Okay? I already talked earlier about insurance. The other may be location. If the new position is in a location that's more favorable to you, you might want to think about, is it worth taking a job that maybe pays a little less but saves you time? Time is the one resource we can't replace. So having a job that's close to home and allows you to get home in time to see your children before they go to bed might be worth more to you than an extra $1,000 a month. So those are the things that you need to think about. What is it you really want in compensation? And it's not just the dollars. That's part of it. Obviously, we need to pay our rent, we need to make our money, but think of the total package together. Is it what you really want? Is it the compensation you really want? Some of the other things you can also consider, is there opportunity for growth upwards? Maybe the current salary isn't so great, but maybe the bonuses, the increments, if there's a guaranteed increment, that might be something else that you would take into consideration. What are the opportunities for moving up? If you look ahead to the people in your current organization, they're all young, very happy working where they're at. Chances for career advancement might be very limited. Maybe in this new position, there are a lot of people who are nearing retirement age or looking at the company's expansion and being needed in other places, and there might be room for advancement. That's something else to consider. So that your dollar value might increase when you move to a higher position. All right? So these are some good things to talk about in that discussion. If you're not sure of the grammar that you should use when you're talking about these kinds of things, check out our YouTube channel. We have a lot of very useful grammar videos there that can help you with the grammar that you're using there. If you're interested in having some personal coaching and how to talk about these things, we do interview coaching at United Language Center. Please check out the link in the description below. So take a look at our videos, enjoy the content, and I hope to see you next time.